Performance issues are among the most common problems you may encounter if you own a smartphone. In fact, that seems to be what some Galaxy S20 owners are dealing with right now. Their devices reportedly started running slow after the Android 11 update. If you're one of them, then you need to troubleshoot your device. In this video, we will show you the things you can do to fix your Galaxy S20 that started running slow after Android 11. First solution: close apps running in the background. When it comes to fixing smartphones with performance issues, the first thing you have to do is to close all applications that are left running in the background. This is to release the RAM and CPU they use. To do so, tap the Recent Apps key. This will show you the apps that are running in the background. Tap Close All to stop them all at once. After doing that, try to see if your Galaxy S20 is now running smoothly. Second solution: force restart your phone. The next thing you have to do if your phone is still running slow after an update is to refresh its memory and reload all its applications and services. You can do both by doing the forced restart procedure. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. This will force your phone to shut down and then power back up. When the logo shows, release both keys and wait until the reboot is finished. Observe your phone's performance once the reboot is complete. Third solution: reset all settings. After doing the first two solutions and your Galaxy S20 is still running so slow, what you have to do next is to reset all of its settings. It has been proven that such a procedure can fix any minor firmware-related problems including performance issues. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down, and then tap General Management. Tap Reset, and then touch Reset Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button, and if needed, enter your screen lock. Now tap the Reset button to reset all the settings on your Galaxy S20. After the reboot, try to see if your phone is now running smoothly. If it's still slow, then move on to the next solution. Fourth solution: factory reset your phone. The factory reset will fix any performance issue and other firmware-related problems. But before you actually reset your phone, make sure to create a backup of your important files as they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your phone. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down, and then tap General Management. Tap Reset, and then touch Factory Data Reset. Scroll down, and then tap the Reset button. If prompted, enter your screen lock. Tap Delete All. Enter your password, and then tap Done when finished. After the reset, set up your Galaxy S20 as a new device. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.